Welcome back to Cruising with the Wild Herons. So we're finally starting to slowly move our boat south. For the most part, we were living on our boat in Washington, North Carolina since October. Our next stop is Oriental, North Carolina. We were joined by our boating buddies from the Cypress Landing Yacht Club. It was a beautiful but very hot day. For the majority of the trip, we traveled at about 11 miles per hour. Except when we entered Goose Creek and passed the Coast Guard station, we were in a no-wake zone. We passed some big fishing ships. They're part of the R.E. Mayo seafood fleet. This is a great place to stop to get fresh seafood and decent priced fuel if you need it. Passing a huge barge in a small channel is always a little scary. There's not a lot of wiggle room. Fortunately, we passed the barge just as we were leaving the channel and heading into Bay River. Most people know that the Neuse River can be just horribly rough, but today it was particularly calm. So here we are at Oriental Harbor Marina, and every time a little boat goes by real fast from under the bridge, they don't slow down, our boat starts a rocking. Here goes another one. Here comes the wake. Ooh, we're already starting to rock. I like the rocking. Big wakes I don't like because then the boat can hit the dock. Our boat puts out a huge wake. Out there is the Neuse River. Once again, today it's calm. Shocking. I'm enjoying my morning cup of coffee on the Lido deck, watching our friends leave for Beaufort. Oriental at sunset is really beautiful. Our last night here, and we ate dinner at M&M's Cafe. They actually served us M&M's while we waited for our dinner. This is our last night in Oriental. Stay tuned as we make our way further south. Next stop is Wilmington, North Carolina. Ciao!